Hi everyone, Tridib from TGT and welcome to another video. Apple's beta testing continues with the release of the third beta of iOS 15.1 today. This is available for the developers and by the time you are watching this video, public beta may be out as well. This update came in around 976 MB on my iPhone 12 mini. Apart from that, I have also updated my iPhone XR and my iPad 6th generation as well. With this, Apple also released iPadOS 15.1 Beta 3, watchOS 8.1 Beta 3, tvOS 15.1 Beta 3, and macOS Monterey Beta 9. Also, there is a new release candidate version for the macOS Big Sur 11.6.1. Let's check the new build number. As you can see, the build number is 19B5060D. D at the end means we are still a bit far from the public release. As you can see here, this update does have a new modem firmware for almost all the iPhones, so expect better network connectivity. This update came with some major resolved issues and bug fixes. First thing is a known issue for the App Store where some users were getting an error message while carrying out some transactions. Even though the transaction was finished, they were getting a verified transaction message. This was also reported during the beta 2 update but wasn't solved completely. Apple says this is no longer an issue. Apple also solved a known issue related to the Home app where the query for the connected admin list wasn't supported by Matter accessories. Also, Matter accessories notifications doesn't work. As a workaround, Apple concludes to relaunch the Home app to force a refresh of the Matter accessory state. This issue is continuing since beta 2 as well. Third is related to voice calls. There is a known issue where users might experience loss of audio during calls, followed by the call being dropped in some conditions. Apple will patch that in the final update. Right now, you need to toggle airplane mode on and off or reboot the device. With the accessibility and then voiceover, there was a known issue where users might not be able to activate alarms in the clock app. This should be solved now. Apart from that, there are some resolved issues related to SwiftUI as well. With the previous beta, Apple solved two major issues. First, unlock iPhone with Apple Watch while wearing a mask issue for iPhone 13 models. And second was the iPhone storage bug. Apple released iOS 15.0.1 to the public last week with those fixes. Do let me know in the comment section if you are still facing those issues. Now, performance wise, I haven't noticed any change in this device from iOS 15. This is my main device and I use this every day and it runs smooth enough. The battery life should remain same as well. With iOS 15, iPhone 12 mini provides around 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time. I have also updated my iPhone XR in this version as well. I have not seen any changes or improvements right away. This is running as smooth as it was on iOS 15.1 beta 2. The overall scrolling, the app opening and closing is up to the mark as it should be. Also, I am running iPadOS 15.1 beta 3 in this iPad 6th gen. All the updates and patches that I mentioned previously are applicable for this device also. Though this is an old iPad, it still runs smooth enough, but some heavy apps reload quickly in some cases. The battery life I get out of this device is absolutely fantastic and this update should keep that going. Now, if you are interested about the benchmark scores, here are the Geekbench 5 scores for iPhone 12 mini. It's 1588 for the single core and 3960 for the multi-core, which is quite at par. So, should you update? Well, if you are on iOS 15.0.1 public release, then there is no point updating immediately. You will gain shelf life with this update, but you should not risk your primary device for that. You can install this on a secondary device if you have one. That's it. Thanks a lot for watching till the end. Do hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.